Is there a time limit for recalling an email in Gmail?
Hello everyone. Today we're diving into an interesting topic, email recalls in Gmail. Have you ever sent an email, only to realize moments later that it contained a mistake or was sent to the wrong person? Gmail provides a feature to recall such emails. But, is there a time limit for recalling an email in Gmail? Let's find out.
What is Gmail's recall feature?
Gmail's recall feature, also known as the undo send feature, is a lifeline for users who have accidentally sent an email prematurely or to the wrong person. This feature works by delaying the sending of your email for a few seconds, giving you a brief window of opportunity to hit the undo button if you spot a mistake.
Is there a time limit to recall an email?
Yes, there is indeed a time limit to recall an email in Gmail. When you enable the undo send feature, you have the option to set a send cancellation period of 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds. This is the time you have after hitting send to decide whether or not you want to recall your email. However, once that time limit has expired, the email cannot be recalled. It's sent to the recipient's inbox, and at that point, there is no official Gmail feature that allows you to pull it back. Therefore, it's important to act quickly if you notice a mistake right after hitting send.
Can you increase the time limit?
You might be wondering, can you increase this time limit? As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Gmail allows you to set a maximum cancellation period of 30 seconds. This limit is set by Google and can't be changed beyond that. The key here is to choose a delay that gives you enough time to spot mistakes, but not so long that it slows down your email sending process. In conclusion, Gmail does provide a feature to recall emails, but there is a time limit tied to it. Remember, you have between 5 to 30 seconds to undo the send action, based on your personal settings. Be sure to set this period according to your comfort and requirements. I hope this video has clarified the mystery of the Gmail recall feature for you. Stay vigilant before hitting that send button, but rest easy knowing you do have a few precious seconds to recall if needed. Happy emailing, everyone!